Sometimes something as simple as anything also gets complicated. French fries. Today, let's practice an easy way to cook your crispy French fries. Get some large sized potatoes and wash them well. Peel them and cut into vertical slices. Then cut them into strips, right as I am showing here. Then wash gently. Boil some water and add 1 or 2 teaspoons salt. Add our strips and cook for 2 minutes. Transfer on a clean kitchen towel or kitchen tissue. Now we need to start fry. Add chili powder and mix it well. Your crispy French fries is ready. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'll be back to you with a macaroni recipe. Thank you so much for watching.